Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a holographic resin dish using a very beautiful glitter from glitterhippo.com. This is an unpaid video, but I just love this glitter. I got this cute mold from Amazon. You might have seen the other video with the green glitter Mickey. This is a different technique, that's why I wanted to show this. So I use a paintbrush to brush the glitter onto the mold. This technique is a little different because brushing the fine glitter on the mold spreads it out evenly and gives a very bright glossy finish. I use a paintbrush over here, but you can use a makeup sponge or a silicone brush, whatever you have on hand. Um, a paintbrush is just my personal preference. So you brush it all along all the sides and tilt it to see if you have missed any spots and then cover them up. And the key to making this holographic glitter pop is to use a darker resin as the background. Black is the preferred one. You can use a red to match the red, but I just use the black one here. And fill it up to the top of the mold and let it cure for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the resin cures pretty hard and it's not that pliable, so it won't lose its shape after you demold. You can see here how I'm demolding it gently. Make sure to do it gently so you don't rip the mold and don't damage the shiny finish of the mold. You can already see how glossy it's looking. Look at that shift in color. The red has like a holographic rainbowy look to it. It's not actually much visible here, though it's in the sun. It's much more brighter and beautiful in person, but I still love it. Look at this in the sunlight. You can see the holographic nature of the glitter here better. I really love this. I loved it so much that I had another glitter with me, a silver one, that I used to make another tray. I'll put up a picture here later. It's actually silver, but because of the black resin behind it, it looks a little dark, but I still love it. It's so pretty. What do you think? Which one did you like more, the red or the silver? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. If you would like to see something different, something else, let me know in the comments and I'll try to make it. Thank you. Bye-bye.